Have you dreamed about living by the beach? Would you love to have the privacy and feel of gorgeous luxury new construction while also having the low maintenance perks of a condo? Welcome to the Madeira Beach Walk community. This exclusive luxury townhome development is only going to have 4 units for 4 lucky owners. Just imagine a timeless coastal luxury style that makes you exhale and relax the minute you walk in. Luxury is the standard here, with countless upgrades included at no additional charge, such as the stone-accented front door entryway, 2-car garage, lofty 10-foot ceilings in the main living area, chef-inspired kitchen with expansive island, luxury Samsung stainless steel appliance suite, oversized second-story balcony for entertaining, private third-floor in-suite balcony off of the master, upgraded walk-in master shower bathroom, premium exterior French doors, premium PGT hurricane-rated windows, and much more, being just steps to the beach. Within walking distance to a variety of delicious restaurants and bars, and only a short drive or bike down to John's Pass. You will love where you live. Take a look at the available unit before it's taken, and don't hesitate to call, text, or email me with any questions. Have a blessed day.